Hi there, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a recommendation to Benable. So the first thing you do is you'll create your first list and you give it a name, my first list, or my favorite restaurants, my favorite makeup products, local professionals I love, whatever you want to call this list. Once you have your first list, if you want to add more lists, you can do it via the plus button up here, my favorite restaurants, whatever that might be. Um, Now, to add something to a list, you just click into your list and you'll notice this big add button down here. So just tap that to add your first recommendation. Now, you can add recommendations to Benable by entering a link or a few keywords, and Benable will magically pull in all the information for you. So in this box, I'm going to type in the name of one of my favorite restaurants, Mon Ami Gabi, a French restaurant. And the more specific you are, the better with the keywords. So I'll type in my location. Now I hit enter, and Benable will go out and scan the web and pull in all the information it can find for that recommendation based on your keywords, so you can see why it's good to be specific. So you'll see here it found the name of the restaurant, the review site, the address, the website, the Instagram, the phone number, and you can customize this as much or as little as you want. You can change the photos, select other ones. You could even upload your own photos with the product or at the place. However much or little you want to customize this is fine. Tap Next to add your note. Notes are the most engaged with part of Benable. So write a really helpful note like, I love the burgers here, or whatever you want to say about the place. Confirm, and that's how you add a recommendation to Benable. Now it works the same way if you want to add a link. So I'll click Add to add a second recommendation. This time I want to add a link instead of a keyword. So I'll go and grab the link to this sunscreen that I like, and I will paste it right in here. And I'll click it, and Benable will do the same thing. It'll pull in all the information from that link, the name, photos, website, even the Instagram account for Supergoop. Again, you can customize this as much or as little as you want. And in this case, since Supergoop.com is one of our 35,000 brand partners, Benable's automatically added an affiliate link for you, meaning if someone makes a purchase through your recommendation for this card, the brand will pay you a commission and you'll keep 100% of that. Benable doesn't take a penny. So yeah, tap Next, add your note, whatever it is, that it's a great sunscreen. You could always add your note here too. And that's how easy it is to add something to Benable. Everything's drag and drop. You can add sections to your list to stay more organized over time too. So if you have, let's say, a section for restaurants and a section for coffee shops, if it's a local list, or bookstores, and if it's products, maybe you've got a section on fashion things or makeup things or whatever you might want to use the sections for. You don't have to have sections, but it's a great way to organize your list. Make sure you add a list description too. That's a really important part of Benable. And everything I showed you here works really great on your phone as well. So I'll use this little tool I have to show you how it works on the phone. But you can see that this is what you would see on the phone. So you just click the same plus button down here. You'd add a recommendation and do it the exact same way. Add your keywords or links. Benable will pull in all the information automatically. You can customize it, and that's how it works.